Hey guys, as you've seen in my previous videos, I started a gardening journal. This is my first grow ever. We had a whole bunch of seeds accumulated over a couple of years sitting in a container. So I thought, why don't I start right now instead of daydreaming? I don't know too much about gardening nor growing anything, but I figured I'd try to do this the cheapest way I could. And that would be natural light, and without having to go buy nutrients for it. Basically just water, sun, and my homemade fertilizer. I'll be posting videos of the progress from time to time, and please, you are more than welcome to throw your 2 cents in. Give me some advice, let me know if you see something I don't see. Give me constructive criticism or just tell me that I'm messing up. My name is Yanni and this is my first garden.